Have you ever wondered how to write a SmartJ contract for the Signum network? Well, you're in the right place. SmartJ is a unique language, tailor-made for the Signum blockchain. It's not your run-of-the-mill programming language. It's designed specifically to create decentralized applications and smart contracts. SmartJ boasts a unique syntax and features that ensure security, efficiency, and perfect compatibility with the Signum blockchain architecture. So, are you ready to take a plunge into the world of SmartJ? Now let's dive in and see how to write a simple SmartJ contract. A SmartJ contract begins with understanding its syntax, the Signum blockchain's capabilities, and the specific requirements of the application being developed. Let's use a simplified token transfer as an example to explore the basic structure of a SmartJ contract. Picture a framework where the contract is initiated, followed by a series of actions, and concluded with the final state. To bring this contract to life, you'd incorporate the actual Signum blockchain API. It's like the contract's nervous system, transmitting information throughout the structure. State management is essential too. Think of it as the contract's memory, storing and recalling information as needed. It ensures the contract behaves consistently and accurately. Security is also paramount. Handling blockchain interactions securely is akin to a contract's immune system, defending against potential threats. But remember, this is just a conceptual example to illustrate the structure and elements of SmartJ. The real magic happens when you dive deep into the specifics, tailoring each element to your unique needs. Before deploying any smart contract on the blockchain, thorough testing is crucial. It's like a dress rehearsal before the final show, ensuring everything plays out as expected. A controlled environment like a testnet is your stage. Here, you can test your contract's behavior without the risk of real asset loss. Don't underestimate the power of learning resources either. The official Signum documentation, for instance, is a treasure trove of information on SmartJ syntax, capabilities, and practical examples. With careful planning, testing, and understanding of SmartJ, you can successfully create and deploy smart contracts on the Signum network.